Today I'm going to show you how to make a website for a tile contractor. I'm just going to do this simply and easily using Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month and it comes with a free trial too. So you can give it a shot, see if it works for your business. But all types of local businesses have themes on here. You can just select yours. So I'm just going to look for tile contractor. There we go. Select that as my theme. And then I'm just going to say Keegan. I'll just say Keegan the tile contractor. Keep it straightforward. Now you just put in your city and state, so Denver, Colorado, type of business. I'm going to put this is a service business and click continue. Now the beauty of Mighty Sites is that it will just generate a simple professional website template for you to use. So you can see it's actually generating the tile contractor website template. Beautiful views of tile and homes, exactly what you want your customers to be thinking about when they're going to think about hiring your business. Now you can update or change any of these images really easily. I'm going to show you how to do that, but it's pre-built with a whole library of pre-licensed images, text written for you. So all you have to do is make simple edits and you can have a website up for your tile contractor business in just a matter of minutes. So let me show you how this works. First, let's just say that you have a different color theme for your business. You just simply click through the different color themes. There are tons and tons available here, and just select the one that works for the look and feel that you're going for your business. I'll just stick with the navy color for now, but you can just select exactly what you want your business website to look like in terms of colors just by clicking through. Now, the next thing that you may want to do is start updating and adding contact information to your website. So all this is built to make it really easy for tile contractors. Just add their business information to their website. You probably want your phone number for people to get in touch with you. So I'm going to add that as well. You can add your address if you want, or you can just leave your city and state. Then you can add your Facebook page if you have one. So I'm just going to type that in. You can just copy and paste the link to your page. I'm gonna let's just say we have an Instagram too. I'm gonna copy and paste in my link for my Instagram too. So let me save that and close it. So now I've got basic information up top. If I go to update section, I can add any new menu items that I want. So if let's just say I want a link to, I'll just put navigation as an example. But then you can choose where that links. It can link to another website, link to a different part of your website. It can be an action item like a call or an email, or it can link to a PDF if you want to do that too. So I'm just going to put my website just for an example. Confirm, add that to my menu, click save, and there we go. Now I've got a new menu item. So really easy to do. I can also update my logo. So if you can leave it as just your business name, but if you do have a business logo, just go ahead and look for it on your computer and upload your business logo. Let me just find mine. Here we go. So I'm just going to upload the Mighty Sites logo. And once that's uploaded, click save. There's my logo. I can click on make it bigger. I can click on make it smaller. And I can also click on this little pencil and it opens up all these picture and image editing tools. So if I want, I'm just going to crop out a little of the white space on the top and bottom of this. So built-in picture editing tools are really make life really easy. So let me just going to crop that a little different there. There we go. Click done. It's going to re-upload my cropped version of my logo. I'm going to save that and then close it. So there we go. Now my logo is on my website too. So you can see as a tile contractor, this website template is coming along pretty quickly and easily. So let's just check out the hero section. I can type in anything I want here. So let's just say instead of tile installations, I want this to say tile contractor. So I can just retype whatever I want it to say. I can even add text underneath it too. So, serving the community for decades, years, let's just say years of quality experience and testimonials, right? Whatever you want this to say to just help really sell someone on hiring you, you can type that in there too. And then if I want to change the button, maybe I just want that to say, request quote, I can change it like that. And then I can choose where that links. I'm going to choose probably my lead form section. I'll show you how that works in just a minute, but I'm going to save that. And now if someone comes to my website, request a quote, it'll bring them right here to fill out the lead form, which is a nice way to generate leads. It's one of the best parts of having a website. It's like your online business card, but people can contact you directly through it, which is pretty sweet. So as I go down here, I will actually check out this section. Let me let me jump here and I'll just say, this is how you make a website for a tile contractor. So I can just type out exactly what I want it to say. I can edit the button too. Let's just say I want people to call me. So maybe I'll just make that say call today. I can choose for that to link just directly to call me when they click on it. So knowing a lot of people will be on my website on their smartphone, they can just click on that call today and it'll call my business, which is really nice. So I can change any of that text, make it look how I want. I can also upload any new images. So if I want, let's just say I prefer a different picture here, I can go to update image and I can either browse for an image from my computer, or I can just search my photo library that comes built in and select what I want. So it'll automatically, be searching that, but you could do like, let's just say you want a really nice picture of a bathroom. There are all these pictures of bathrooms here, or, let's pick one with tile. So let's make sure it's not one that's already used. This one looks like it has a lot of tile. Let's select that one. So let's just say I want to change the photo. Now I've changed the photo to this photo, right? So it comes with this whole pre-licensed database of images for you to use. So you can just pick through that. Again, you can upload your own images, or you can just style this website the way you want just by using that search feature to search this huge database library of images and pick the ones that you think works best. Now, once I get through all of this, I can edit any of those sections. Let me show you. If I click, go down here, I'll just submit myself as a lead. So let's just say somebody finds your website and they're interested in your services. Let me just type this in. And then I'll just say, I need a tile contractor, please. So I'll just type that in and click send. And now the message has been sent. It went through. And if I go back up here, I can just click on stop editing. This shows me what my website will look like. Really clean, professional website. That's what it looks like. Those update section buttons only show up for you as the owner. But I just submitted myself as a lead. So what will happen is you'll get an email letting you know that a new person's interested in hiring you for a tile installation. And then I can go here to view leads, and you can see the information they submitted on your site, so you can contact them to generate a sale for your business. Now, next thing you can do, you go here to connect to domain, paste in the domain name that you own from either like Google, GoDaddy, wherever you own a domain, and then you just paste in the information here. You paste that in, and then Mighty Sites will do the connection on this side. And then it'll give you the instructions for having your registrar make the updates on their side. So both the website and the domain need to point to each other. So you just got to give the instructions to Google Domains or GoDaddy, whoever. Just chat with their customer support, and you'll provide the instructions that are here in your dashboard, and that'll make it so they're connected. So and then once you do that, your website's good to go. You can always go back and update any time, but click on the link below and you can start your free trial. Again, if this works for your tile contractor business, it's only $9 a month. So you really can't beat the price. Wish you the best of luck creating a professional website for your small business.